Somewhere in the App Store right now, there's an app with your brand's name on it that you'd rather customers didn't open. It's outdated, buggy, and barely used. Customers use your website because they get a better experience than they do on your app. You want to relaunch your app and get it back up to speed with your website and what customers expect from a shopping app today. But it's important to do this the right way and avoid the same mistakes that happen with your first app. That's what you're going to learn in this video. And by the end, you're going to learn how to get your new app up and running and keep it running smoothly and fast for as long as your business is operating. We've heard this exact story hundreds of times from brands who come to us for app consultation. The brand has a custom built app, which used to work, but the cost and effort to maintain it was way too big, and now it hasn't been touched in years. It's a common scenario. And it happens because brands don't grasp what it really takes to launch and run a mobile app for e-commerce store. You might have thought launching an app would be a big but worthwhile investment. Pay once, and once you earn back the cost it took to build it, there, you're in the black. And every incremental dollar from the app is pure profit. Unfortunately, that's not how apps work. A mobile app, especially one for e-commerce store, is never a one-off project. It needs constant maintenance and updates. There are new iOS and Android updates to comply with, updates to APIs and integrations your app uses, plus changes to your store and branding tweaks. All of this adds to the maintenance load. If you budget the app as a one-time cost, you'll be in for a surprise. A native app built from scratch usually means you need a minimum of 2 to 3 people on your team keeping it running. Some operators we talked to said they estimate that it would take a team of 6 to maintain their app. That means your app can cost you $500,000 each year in salaries from your app team. That's a big eye-opener. And it's why so many brands launch an app that ultimately ends up outdated and unused. If you're in this camp, the crucial part to get it right is not making the same mistake again. Sure, you can commission a new build, modernize and consistent with where your brand is at, but if it's not sustainable, you're on a ticking clock until you need to spend another 6 figures rebuilding it yet again. For most brands, a native app built separate from their website is not sustainable. It's like having another storefront to manage, double the work and double the cost. The secret to launching a sustainable app is realizing that just about everything your app needs to do can be done through the web. With Shopify, Magento, BigCommerce, or custom front-end builds, you can create mobile optimized storefronts that looks and feels like customers expect from an app. Your website already does most of what your app should do. The smart play is understanding that and building on top of your existing site, not alongside it. That's what MobiLoud does. MobiLoud lets you launch a custom native app powered by your existing site. You manage everything through your web platform the same way you manage your site. You can ship custom app screens and experiences and make your app a unique channel, but the underlying tech powering it is the same as your site, which means you don't need to bring in a team of app developers to maintain it. Your existing team runs the app, and MobiLoud's team handles all the app-specific work. It's the best way to relaunch a broken, outdated app. You don't need to rebuild from the ground up since you're building on top of your existing site. It's cheaper and faster to relaunch your app and significantly more sustainable. MobiLoud's team has been through many relaunches like this and will help you to pushing the relaunch as an update to your existing app or a brand new listing. If you already have a decent number of users on the old app, that update path means minimal disruption for your users. You can easily go live with a new modern app that your customers will love, without having to build it from square one. So don't let a failed, outdated app sour the channel forever. Just about every successful e-commerce brand should have their own mobile app. And with services like MobiLoud, you can do that without having to hire a permanent in-house team to manage it. If you're sitting on an old legacy app that needs an update, head to mobiloud.com to chat with the team and see how they can bring it into the 21st century and make sure it never falls behind your website ever again.